All right, guys, have I got a cool training tool for you? This thing is super sweet here. This is a proper training tool that is going to take your golf game to the next level. So we are here in the golf sim, and we are testing out some stuff. Now, you might see one already hanging on the wall here. It's been cold outside. Check this guy out. This is what I normally use, but we got the upgraded version that was sent to us by an awesome company, and super excited to work with them. Let's go ahead and see what we are working with here. So this is their training ball. Okay, it is the Connector Golf Training Aid. Got all the information, and what I love about it is they give you the 1, 2, all the way to 6, how to actually make it happen. So it shows you where to put it in between your arms and actually how it is going to be physically used there. So it's very important. What this is doing is allowing your arms to stay connected, okay? So you're not bowing them out at the end of the day. But we're going to put this to use, follow some guides, and take a couple swings. So the atypical version of these is going to be one that's going to be hooked to the neck. This is one where it uses more of your own tension, which is super important. So we have a couple of different pieces that we have to put in here. You got the holder right there. Let's go ahead and get this open. Take these apart. Okay. You have one piece that's going to be your alignment stick, and the other, which is going to sit between the hands. So just like so, let's go ahead and drop that in. So what you're going to do, you're going to drop this in just like that. Very important. Okay, this piece is going to drop in here. That's going to be your alignment piece. Okay, so there you have it. Let's go ahead and grab a club so we can see what it's like to put it in between the arms. So what we're going to do is this is going to be here. And you're going to be able to see the alignment. And now what we're going to do is be able to take some shots. So the goal is, instead of bowing out, you see, if I bow out, this is going to fall out of my hands or my arm grip. So we don't want to do that. We actually want to, let's go ahead and actually get a shot, rocking and rolling here. Now, first times first, we're going to test this bad boy out. So just like so. So we're following the directions, 1, 2, and you should be able to hold this all the way to the top of the backswing. So as you progress in the use of it, you should be able to hold it all the way to the back without any issues. Now, I haven't done this yet because we just got it to set up some practice, but I can tell you that this is going to be awesome when it comes to a golf aid. Let's go ahead and hit a couple more shots. I can see what it's like here. I do think I might have a little better grip off the skin than off the shirt. It does feel like it's going to be a little slick here, but that's okay because we got to test it out. Whoop. So let's go ahead and get this aligned. Just like so. Okay. Get set up. And just like that. Now I can feel my hands wanting to bow out, and this is keeping it. This is 100% going to be keeping it better together. So I'm going to be staying locked down on the ball just like that. Now after a couple practice swings, I'm sure this thing is going to be easily used. So guys, at the end of the day, you know what we always say, let's take another shot and check it out.